Hello, my name is Edmas and I will be presenting on my relational database project with the use of SQL. I will be starting with the ERD table. And my data set, there are two tables, which is medicine and trial table. And the medicine table, which is my parent table, has a medicine ID as my parent key. And my second table will be my children table, which is my trial table. And my parent key for this trial table will be trial ID, and foreign key will be medicine ID, which will link with my medicine table. And one medicine can go through many trial, but one trial can only test one medicine. And this is another ERD table which shows the columns of my table. And the next one I will be discussing on my queries. The first query that I will be discussing is the simple query. The first one, I will be using this question. List all the name, target illness, as well as side effects of the medicine, and sort the result by medicine name. So by using this select name, target illness, side effects, which is the column names of my medicine table, I will be showing these three columns, and I will be using from medicine table and order the result by medicine name ascending order. And when I copy this and run this in SQL, and it shows the result. So the next one will be summary query. For each location in the trial of medicine, show the total number of participants where the actual number of participants exceed the targeted number of participants, and sort the result in descending order by location. And the first one I will be selecting location, which answer this part here. And to show the total number of participants, we will need to use the function called sum, which is used to add up all the total actual number of participants. And I will set it the column name as total number of participants. And this parameter here where the actual number of participants exceed the targeted number of participants need to be listed out here, which is where actual non-participants greater than target number of participants. And I will group the result by location since there are 500 rows of trial table, and I will order it by descending order of location. And when I run this query in my SQL, the result is shown here. The next one will be parent-child query. So in this question, it wants us to list out the name of medicine manufactured by the manufacturer called Iramo, where the tablet type will be, where the type of medicine will be tablet, and the launching date will be before 10th of January. And the public release date, which is in the trial table, at May, and trial consent is null. So by using this select function, I will select the name of medicine, name of manufacturer, the type of medicine, the date launched, the public release date in the trial table, and trial consents. And I will use the table alias function to differentiate between medicine and trial table by setting alias here, medicine M, trial T. And I will link the two tables together by using this function here called medicine ID equals to trial medicine ID. And the manufacturer name, I will set it as Iramo, and the type will be tablet, date launch before 10th of January 2020, and the trial public release date between 1st of May 2019 and 31st of May 2019, with which answer this question here, public release date at May, and the trial consent is null. And I will sort the result by descending order. And when I run this, it shows the result. And for subqueries, show the trial ID, location, the difference between the actual and targeted number of participants, where the actual number of participants is greater than target number of participants. as well as a public release date of the medicine that is gel type. So I will be selecting trial ID, location, and actual number of participants minus target number of participants as set this the column name as difference number of participants, which answer the question here, difference between actual and target number of participants, and the public release date as well. And from the trial table, I will be setting the actual number of participants is greater than target number of participants. And to link the two table, I will be using an trial medicine ID in and select medicine ID to link the two table. And from the medicine table, I will set the type as gel type of medicine. And when I run this query, it shows the result. And another example of query will be update. And the question here stating medicine that is manufactured by the Hovoin manufacturer that trial outcome is failure and should get a development cost decrease of 5 million. And the first step, we will select the column that we wanted to show, which is the name of the medicine, the manufacturer name, and the development cost to see whether there's a difference. And from the medicine table, we will set the manufacturer name as Hovini and setting the medicine ID in select trial medicine ID to link the two tables. And from trial table, we'll set trial table outcome as failure. And when we run this, it shows the original development cost. And the step 2 will be updating. And when we update the medicine table, we will set the development cost equals to development cost minus 5 million, so that the development cost will be deducting 5 million. And when we run here, stated that 6 rows has been updated. And step 3, we will be running again the first step to check whether the development cost has changed. As we can see, it has deducted 5 million for every rows here. And to undo the updates, we can use a function called rollback. And when we roll back, the rollback will state rollback complete. This will give us back the original data. And when we check the data again, it shows back the original development cost. That's all from me. Thank you.